Hey everyone, Luke here. I never thought I'd be this excited to talk about a toilet, but the smart toilet from CANEST has honestly surprised me. In this review, I'll walk you through all of its key smart features, from the motion sensing lid to the heated seat, to its self-cleaning and its foam shield system, and show you how it performs in its real-world use. One of the first things you'll notice is the front foot sensor, located at the base of the toilet instead of on the side like many others. This design allows for more accurate and convenient operation. Simply step into the marked area and the lid opens automatically. Step away and it closes smoothly. The CANEST Smart Toilet features a full range weight sensing seat with sensors distributed across the entire seating surface. The seat automatically activates when detecting more than 26 pounds, so even children or elderly users can use it comfortably without needing to hit a specific spot. The seat itself is wider than traditional models, providing better comfort and stability. Both the seat and water temperature can be adjusted across 5 levels, with an instant heating system that responds in just 0.1 seconds, much faster than the standard designs. Once enabled in the settings, the system automatically adjusts temperature based on the outdoor environment, ensuring comfort year-round. This model uses an air-infused water wash, which combines strong cleaning power with a gentle feel. The nozzle automatically cleans itself before and after each use for maximum hygiene. After cleaning, the built-in warm air dryer activates, providing adjustable, comfortable drying without the need for paper, and you can clearly see the airflow intensity here. The CANEST Smart Toilet also features a foam shield system that prevents splashing and enhances cleanliness. You can fill it up with foam, liquid, or even a simple 1-to-1 mix of dish soap and water using the built-in measuring cup. And at night, the soft LED night light activates automatically, providing gentle illumination that helps you navigate to the toilet without having to turn on any bright lights. The toilet also includes a side light and LED display, adding a modern, high-end appearance while showcasing key features such as temperature and operating mode. The remote control allows for complete operation, from lid opening to temperature to water pressure and drying settings. It's easy to use, responsive, and can be wall mounted for convenience. In conclusion, the CANEST Smart Toilet delivers a premium, intelligent bathroom experience. With its premium sensors, customizable comfort settings, and advanced cleaning system, it blends innovation and practicality. I'm telling you, you will miss this toilet when you're not able to use it. It is a great toilet. Whether it's comfort, hygiene, or convenience, this model truly elevates everyday living.